Hello, I'm Mark Cresswell, CEO of IDSC. This presentation describes the expertise and value that IDSC's fully integrated drug discovery, preclinical development, and clinical development teams bring to our clients. If you're a biotech, pharma company, academic, or VC that is in need of high-impact drug discovery, preclinical development, or clinical development consulting services, IDSC may be a fit for your organization. IDSC is an interdisciplinary group of 55 pharma leaders averaging 25 years of pharma experience, having started in the labs and excelling into leadership roles in big pharma and biotech, with everyone having 3 to 7 years post-career consulting experience working in virtual teams. I'd like to ask a rhetorical question. Can a group with over 1,300 years of pharma experience across the major TAs, line discipline expertise in all of the line disciplines in the discovery and development continuum, from hit ID to launch in small molecules, biologics, stem cell therapies, disease diagnostics, medical devices, and nutraceuticals help your company? IDSC's services span all of the discovery and development. We help our clients evaluate their high-throughput screening hits and structure-based drug design results, get them through hit to lead, and select their preclinical discovery lead compound series. We take them through lead optimization and help them identify their clinical candidate. We then help them through the preclinical development process, which includes navigating the regulatory pathway, helping them prepare for regulatory agency meetings, attending those meetings, and helping them prepare and submit their IND or other regulatory filings. Finally, we take our clients through phase 1, 2, and 3 clinical trials and on to launch in phase 4 trials, and again assist them with phase 2 regulatory agency meetings and draft and submit their NDA and other global filings. We bring our clients all of the line discipline experts needed to move their pharma assets through all of these stage gates mentioned here, from early discovery to phase 4. IDSC's clients come to us for several reasons, including drug discovery, preclinical development, and clinical development, interim leadership, where we're filling gaps in most of the major therapeutic areas, and line disciplines in most of the major medical markets, consulting in all of the same areas, fully integrated collaborations where IDSC is supplying a full or partial project team to our client in the discovery, preclinical development, or clinical development space, due diligence for VCs, pharma companies, biotechs, and universities, molecular modeling, including all of the modern techniques, outsourcing management in all of the line disciplines, and commercial assessment, including valuation, forecasting, and market research. Please take note that IDSC does not have laboratories and does not provide lab services. We're a team of 55 consultants providing leadership to our clients. We do, however, manage our clients' outsourcing efforts. Whether contracting an individual or an IDSC team, you may ask, what do our directors do? Our therapeutic area experts and project leaders advise our clients on therapeutic area and indication-specific and drug discovery and development issues, prepare program reviews, and most importantly for our integrated collaborations, serve as project leader and lead teams in preparation of gap analyses and development plans. IDSC's medicinal chemists evaluate the SAR, decide what compounds to make in each series, design the syntheses, and manage the chemistry outsourcing. IDSC's medicinal chemists know and understand the therapeutic area and ADME requirements to design compounds that optimize ADME, potency, and efficacy. Our pharmacologists, ADME experts, and toxicologists design in vitro and in vivo studies to advance our clients' assets, in addition to identifying and managing the appropriate CROs to perform the relative screens and studies. They evaluate the study data and either review, write, or summarize IND submission study reports. Their decisions are based on study results and program goals. Not only do our therapeutic area clinicians draft our clients' TA-specific clinical protocols and clinical plans and oversee their clinical trials, we get our clinicians involved in programs early so that we get the product profile right and our preclinical plan matches up with the clinical plan. In addition, our clinicians participate in and or lead clinical advisory boards and identify KOLs and advise our clients' preclinical teams and clinical teams. Whether working on a therapeutic drug, diagnostic, medical food, or other sector, IDSC's regulatory experts guide our clients and the IDSC project team on and assure guidelines are met for the appropriate FDA division. We assist our clients with the preparation for regulatory agency meetings, and we attend and manage those meetings for them. And we assist our clients with the preparation of and submission of their regulatory documents, both domestic and globally. Our clients come to us for API and CMC management because we bring them a team of directors with individuals having career experience in their disciplines of small molecule API, biologics manufacturing, formulation, analytical development, and fill and finish. Each director brings our clients CMC regulatory expertise. They manage our clients' outsourcing efforts and CROs, optimize processes, and troubleshoot problems. Our clients appreciate IDSC's full and complete clinical operations team. Our team includes seasoned biostatisticians, study managers, site managers, data capture and management, medical writers, recruitment and retention, and most importantly, clinical development and clinical operations leadership and project management. Just as with preclinical, once in the clinic, the pivotal component of the team is the clinical development and operations leader. IDSC brings its clients experienced directors that serve in both or either positions. They serve as the point of accountability for the team and the point of contact. Help our clients develop their corporate clinical strategy, develop and manage clinical operations, oversee clinical trials, and most importantly, manage timelines and the budget. IDSC consultants have career deep niche expertise in most of the major therapeutic areas. This includes CNS, both psychotherapeutics and neurodegenerative diseases, cardiovascular, including cardio devices, dermatology, including wound healing, infectious diseases, including antibacterials, antifungals, and antivirals, inflammation, immunology, and immunoinflammatory diseases, metabolic diseases, oncology, including most tumor types and blood disorders, ophthalmology, and pain. As stated before, to help our clients get from early discovery to launch and phase 4, we bring them all the line discipline expertise to get from one stage gate to the next. In discovery, we bring our clients experienced medicinal chemists, seasoned molecular modelers, and in vitro and in vivo pharmacologists. As mentioned earlier, our medicinal chemists understand how to design solubility, stability, safety, and other drug-like properties into the molecules they design. In the areas of preclinical and clinical development, we bring our clients ADME experts and PDTK modelers, toxicologists and pathologists, process chemists, API managers and CMC experts, formulations, analytical development and fill and finish experts, those MD clinicians that design the clinical trials and serve as medical monitors, and our client CMOs, regulatory experts that not only advise our clients on an ad hoc basis, but also prepare them for and accompany them to agency meetings and prepare and submit their regulatory documents. A complete clinical operations team, and finally, directors that provide commercialization strategy, product assessment and valuation, and market research. IDSC's directors provide this expertise in multiple medical markets, including biologics and therapeutic drugs and small molecules, stem cell therapies, medical devices, disease diagnostics, and nutraceuticals, including medical foods and dietary supplements. As stated in the previous slide, in addition to small molecule and large molecule therapeutics, IDSC clients come to us for medical devices, disease diagnostics, and nutraceuticals. IDSC's directors provide a plethora of development consulting services in these areas, including full regulatory support, as described earlier in the video, for therapeutic drugs, strategic planning, including goals, timelines, budgets, milestones, business plans, exit strategies, and identifying and managing external vendors, clinical development strategy and operations, and in some areas, our clients come to us for market assessments. Here we provide asset valuation, evaluate market potential, competitive intelligence, and overall position our clients for the next round of fundraising, partnering, and out-licensing. This is a diagram of how IDSC's various therapeutic area and various disease teams typically work with our clients. Our discipline experts provide the appropriate discipline expertise as described earlier and manage our clients' outsourcing efforts as needed. IDSC's project leader is key in keeping all personnel working on the program on schedule and within budget. They are the primary point of contact for the IDSC team and our client. As our client's asset moves down the discovery and development continuum, the project team will grow, contract, and change discipline members as needed. Of course, this diagram illustrates a full project team. However, our client may come to us to contract individual consultants, small teams, or fully integrated collaborations. This diagram illustrates our various disease-focused clinical development and clinical operations teams. As you can see in the diagram, IDSC brings our clients a complete clinical operations team, including biostatisticians, site monitors, medical writers, electronic data capture, and management, study managers, and most importantly, clinical development and clinical operations leaders who assure timelines are met, the team keeps to budget, communication is maintained, and they are point of accountability and point of contact for the team and client, as mentioned previously. Many of our clients come to IDSC for program reviews, gap analyses, and development plans. These may be a one-off project, a good way of starting business, or the natural progression of a collaboration. A program review is often provided early in preclinical, often in discovery, is often performed by a single director, and provides brief scientific next steps, included generally to move the project to the next stage, such as funding, spin-out, out-licensing, VC funding, etc. A program review can be done in as little as 10 to 20 hours, or sometimes a few more. A gap analysis is often performed late in the preclinical development, although not always, and is often performed by multiple directors. IDSC provides our client with the key studies and protocols that are missing from the technical package and regulatory information needed to get to IND submission. Depending on the number of directors and therapeutic area, it can take as few as 25 but as many as 115 hours or more of consulting work to provide our clients with the gap analysis, since this may be provided by 1 to 8 directors. A development plan is generally provided to our clients late in discovery or when a clinical candidate is identified. It too may be designed and written by 1 to 8 IDSC directors depending on our client's needs for granularity and budget. A detailed report will provide our client with needed efficacy, ADME, and toxicology studies, protocols, timeline, budget, regulatory needs, and cohesion with a phase 1 and phase 2 clinical plan to get to an IND submission. Again, depending on the number of directors requested and the therapeutic area, it may take anywhere from 25 hours to 230 hours of consulting work to prepare and deliver a full development plan. To summarize, IDSC is an interdisciplinary group by design of over 55 ex-pharma leaders averaging 25 years of experience in big pharma and biotech. Our academic, biotech, pharma, and VC clients come to us for discovery, preclinical development, and clinical development, interim leadership, consulting, fully integrated collaborations, due diligence, molecular modeling, and outsourcing management. Our services span both discovery and development, while helping our clients get from early discovery to launch and phase 4. We do this in many medical markets, including small molecule and biologic therapeutics, stem cell therapies, medical devices, diagnostics, and nutraceuticals. We're able to help our clients because our directors bring career experience in most of the major therapeutic areas, all of the discovery line disciplines, and all of the preclinical and clinical development disciplines. For more information, feel free to visit IDSC's website, or you can call or email Mark Cresswell. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. You may enjoy a few photos and then credits will roll.